So we are doing geometry chapter 2.4 and it's algebraic reasoning. We have some properties of equality, like we'll study about it and do the problems related to it. So this is addition property of equality. So if A is equal to B and if we add C to both sides, then it is still equal, like A plus C is equal to B plus C. Same way, subtraction property of equality, if A is equal to B and if we subtract C from both sides, it is still an equality. A minus C is equal to B minus C. And multiplication property of equality, like if A is equal to B, then A times C is equal to B times C. And when C is not equal to 0, if C is equal to 0, then it may, even if A is not equal to B, it will give 0. So division property of equality is if A is equal to B, and then A by C is equal to B by C, and C is not equal to 0. If C is equal to 0, we know anything divided by 0 is undefined. And substitution property of equality, if A is equal to B, then A can be substituted for B and B can be substituted for A. We'll do some other properties of equality and then we'll do the problems that will make our concepts more clear. Now we have three other properties of equality, like this is a reflexive property. If A is equal to A and AB is equal to AB, and angle measures like angle A is equal to angle A. Like if two places there are angle A given, then we can say this angle A is the equal to the another angle A, which is given here. Okay. Symmetric property is like A, if A is equal to B, then B would be equal to A. And if AB is equal to CD, then CD would be equal to AB. And angle measures, symmetric property for angle measures, like if angle A is equal to B, then angle B is equal to A. Similarly, transitive property is like if A is equal to B and B is equal to C, then A would be equal to C. Same way, if AB is equal to CD and CD is equal to EF, then AB would be equal to EF. And for angle measures, transitive property is like angle A is equal to B, angle B is equal to C, then angle A would be equal to C. So let's do some problems now. So these are the questions given and we have to name the property of equality used. So as we can see here, if x is equal to y, then 3x is equal to 3y. So we are multiplying with the same constant here, this property of multiplication property of equality. So now the next is AB is equal to MB, then AM, sorry. So if AM is equal to MB, then AM plus 5 is equal to MB plus 5. So we are adding 5 to each sides. So this is addition property of equality. Now the next is x is equal to x. So we know we used here x is equal to x. So this is a reflexive property like this. Okay. Reflection. It comes from reflection, so reflex. Now this is if x is equal to y, then y is equal to x. Okay. So this is symmetric property of equality. Like we used here. If A is equal to B, B is equal to A. Like, okay. If AB is equal to CD, then CD is equal to AB. So this is measure of angle Z is equal to measure of angle C. This is again reflexive property of equality. Now this is if angle A is 29 degrees, angle B is 29 degrees, then measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle B. So we can see that this is a substitution property. Okay, we substitute A is equal to 29 degree and B is equal to 29 degree. Yeah, okay, we did it here. Okay, if A is equal to B, then A can be substituted for B and B for A. So this is substitution property of equality. So sometimes we confuse this for transitive, but this is not transitive. When we do the examples, we'll come to know. Here we just substituted, instead of 29, we substituted B. So angle a measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle B. Now, if AB is equal to LM, then LM is equal to AP. So we see that this is a symmetric property of equality here. If AB is equal to A is equal to B, then B is equal to A. Or if AB is equal to CD, then CD is equal to AP. Next one is if BC is equal to XY is equal to A, then BC is equal to 8. Okay. So this is transitive property because the XY here is same as here. So if this is like if A is equal to B, B is equal to C, then A is equal to C. Okay, so this is a transitive property. Here in this question 30, we actually substituted instead of 29 degree, we substituted angle B. So angle A, measure of angle A was equal to angle B. Here A is equal to B, B is equal to C, and A is equal to C. So this is a transitive property of equality. Hello. So in these questions, we have to use the property stated and then complete the statement. So if AB is equal to C 20 and AB plus CD would be, and we have to use substitution property of equality. So we will substitute 20 and as AB and it will be 20 plus CD. Now symmetric property of equality is angle uh, measure of angle 1 is equal to measure of angle 2, then symmetric means we write measure of angle 2 is equal to measure of angle 1. Then addition property of equality, it states that we add same uh, line or to or segment to both sides. So it is given if AB is equal to CD, then AB plus EF. So we added EF here. So basically for addition property, we have to add EF to both sides, each side. Okay. Now multiplication property of equality. If AB is equal to CD, then 5 times AB. So we are multiplying by 5. So we'll multiply 5 to CD also. Okay. You can refer to the properties we have written here. Okay. And we are using these properties. So if AB is equal to A is equal to B, then A times C is equal to B times C. Okay. So now next, what is the next question is If subtraction property of equality we have to use, if LM is equal to XY, then LM minus GH. Basically, we subtracted GH to left hand side, so we have to subtract GH to the right hand side. So this would be given as XY minus GH. Okay, now let's do the next one. So this is use distributive property. So distributive property means we multiply here. The distributive property is A times B plus C. I'll write more clearly here. This is A times B plus C is equal to AB plus BC. So this gives 5x plus 40 is equal to 2. Now angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Then transitive property is then angle measure of angle 1 is equal to measure of angle 3. And reflexive property is of reflexive property of equality will say angle ABC is equal to angle ABC. So here in this diagram, it is given that angle ABD is equal to CBE. And we have to show that angle 1 is equal to 3 using the properties we learned in this chapter. So let's do. So it is given that angle ABD is equal to angle CBE. So we see that angle 1 and 2, they are adjacent angles, this angle and this. So using angle addition postulate, we can say that ABD is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Now, same here as we did angle ABD, we see that angle 2 here and 3, they are adjacent angles, and we can use angle addition postulate to say that CBE is equal to sum of angle 2 here and angle 3 here. So now we'll substitute angle 1 plus 2 for ABD in this. Okay, so this will give 1 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 3. Angle 2 plus 3. Okay. So we substituted angle 1, measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2 for ABD here using substitution property of equality. And we also substituted angle 2 plus angle 3 for CBE. Now we'll subtract angle 2 from each side using subtraction property of equality. Now we know measure of angle 2 minus angle of 2 will be 0, and this will be also 0. So measure of angle 1 will be equal to measure of angle 3. Okay, this is what we had to prove using the properties. Okay. So please continue practicing. Please do each problem of the exercise and text me back if you need help with any of the questions. Okay. Thanks for joining.